everyone, thank you so much for watching today. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video. If you want to know what we're doing today, we are gonna go ahead and create this very trendy Ariana Grande positions makeup look today. If you are anyone that's been on social media, then you probably have seen this look at least somewhere. So she did this really gorgeous cut crease, kind of like a graphic liner look. If you want to know how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching.
Pull the key out the ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last, keep talking all your shit.
I'm going to start out by grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape and I am placing that all over my eyelids, and I'm going to be blending that out with this blending brush. I am grabbing my Carli Bybel Anastasia palette and I am just placing bare all over my eyelids. I'm actually going to go ahead and follow the hollows of my eyes to create the connection to that wing we just created. And here I'm just slowly working my way to the middle of my eye, and I'm just working very lightly while still trying to make everything very cohesive. Now I dipped into my Morphe palette and I am taking a more lighter brown shade and I am blending that into the brown that we just were working with. I'm lightly going in circles and just going back and forth, making sure everything looks super blended. This does take patience, but it does pay off in the end. Now I went back and picked up Bowie again, and I'm just drawing that line again so it doesn't disappear. Now I picked up a clean brush and I'm just making sure everything looks seamless and is super blended. Now I'm just picking up that concealer I originally had and I am cutting some of that shadow out. I'm not doing the whole eye, I just want to make sure those lines are super clean and they look as neat as possible. So I'm just slowly dragging the brush where any of the shadow is not needed. Now I'm just going back in with Bare and I am setting that concealer with that eyeshadow. Now I'm finally giving myself some eyeliner with that brown shadow and I'm just dragging that all on the lash line. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. So that is it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching and learning. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below. And also don't forget to hit the like button as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video.